Hi, it's Dr. Memari. I'm recording this video to help you with how to take Honorlock practice test in ALEKS. The purpose for this Honorlock practice is to prepare you and your device to take your exams that are in ALEKS, but they are proctored by Honorlock. So what are you going to do? You are going to go to the course content and go down to this module. Is called Taking ALEKS Tests with Honorlock Required Practice. So when you open that module, I have included two sets of instructions. One, a video that it shows you, and please listen to that, because play it and listen to it, because the first thing it's asking you to do is to make sure that you are using Chrome, okay? It makes sure that you are using Chrome when you are using Honorlock and you want things to work. You also have a PDF copy of the instructions, and it tells you step by step what to do. And it's again using, you go to D12 and you are going to follow these steps. All they are saying, the information provided by this video and this test, the PDF file, it says that first you have to click here to activate Honorlock. Okay, when you click here, basically what it does, it takes you to the Honorlock and it makes sure that you have the Honorlock extension that is required, and you have to agree, follow the prompt, and make sure your computer, your device is ready. Then you are going to click here on the ALEKS Honorlock practice. Please remember that the title for the Honorlock practice is specific now, ALEKS Honorlock practice. Some of you have submitted the Honorlock practice with 3 questions. That is just the Honorlock, is not the Honorlock ALEKS. So this quiz resides in ALEKS and is proctored by Honorlock. So you prepare your device, make sure that extension is correct by clicking first and activate Honorlock. Then you click here on the ALEKS Honorlock practice. You answer 1 question, right or wrong, but it will, as long as it's submitted, which hopefully is going to be right, that meets the requirement for taking Honorlock practice ALEKS test. Okay, so those are the steps. I hope that this video helps you to understand how it works and what are the steps. And I regret I did not record this video earlier to show you the steps in the video, but we still have like 3 or 4 weeks before the exam, so there's still time. So on the bright side, that's what we are hoping, that you are ready for your exam. The time when you have your exam, those videos are not there. It's just saying that here you are going to click here to activate the Honorlock, and then you click on test 1, unit 1 to 3, because it's not available until February 9th. It's not highlighted, but on February 9th, it will be highlighted. So you first activate the Honorlock, then you take the quiz. I hope this video tutorial helps you with this assignment. I did extend the Honorlock assignment, the practice quiz for the January 15, and I hope that you all submit it before end of the day on January 15. Thank you, and I'm sorry for confusion.